Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? This is your computer class today. Open your book and take out page number 44. Mention the day and date. Today is Friday, 4th December 2020. And today we have our topic resizing and skewing a picture. Resizing and skewing a picture. So let's start our reading. We can resize or skew an entire picture of a part of it. Yes, we can resize or skew any entire part of the picture. An object can be resized horizontally or vertically to make it look wider or smaller. अगर आप किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को रिसाइज करने के बाद इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड वर्टिकली करना चाहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली इट लुक्स वाइडर और smaller. You can also skew an object horizontally or vertically to make it appears in a slanting position. So now you have to come look at the all the steps that how we can resizing and skewing a picture. Step number 1, click on the home tab. Step number 2, select a part in the picture using one of the select tools. Select tools में आप picture का जो part है वो select करेंगे. But if you do not make any selection, the entire picture will be resized or skewed. Then step number 3, click on the resize option in the image group. Yes, you have to click on the resize option in the image group. आपने image group में क्लिक करना है resize के ऑप्शन पर. The resize and skew dialog box appears. Then आपके सामने कौन सा जो बॉक्स है वो अपीयर होगा, resize and skew dialog box. Step number 4, choose a suitable option from the resize and skew dialog box. Then resize option lets you stretch or shrink the selected part in the horizontal or vertical direction. When you resize the option, then you can see the stretch or shrink the selected part of the entire picture in the form of horizontal or vertical direction. Then you can make an object look narrower, wider, shorter or taller. You can see the picture. ये आपको नैरो भी फॉर्म में भी नज़र आ रही है, वाइडर भी नज़र आ रही है, शॉर्टर भी है, देन टॉलर. यू कैन सी कि किस तरीके से रिसाइज के ऑप्शन के बाद आप पिक्चर को स्ट्रेच और श्रिंक कर सकते हैं इसके सिलेक्टेड पार्ट्स को. ओके, देन you can see here a percentage value that is more than 100 stretches the object, whereas a percentage value that is less than 100 shrinks the object. परसेंटेज वैल्यू अगर आप देख रहे हैं, व्हेन यू स्ट्रेच एनी ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इट विल बी मोर देन 100 एंड व्हेन यू shrinks the object then it will be less than 100. Okay, so you can see here step number 5, you have to click on OK. Let's come on next page. You can see the both diagrams. Selected picture resized, selected picture skewed in the horizontal direction. You have to mention the date and the day. You have to match column A with column B. You have to match skew with tilts the selected object horizontally or vertically. Number 2, you have to match flip horizontal with gives the mirror image of the object. Resize stretches or shrinks the object horizontally or vertically. Flip vertical, turn the object upside down. So you have to match like this. Now look at here. Did you know we can use the zoom slider present at the bottom right corner of the status bar to zoom in and out of a picture? Yes, पिक्चर को zoom करने के लिए आप क्या करते हैं, आपको मेंशन करना होता है, आपको पिक्चर को zoom करने के लिए आपको मेंशन करना होता है, मतलब यू हैव टू गिव द 2 ऑप्शन माइनस प्लस पे आप करते हैं ज़्यादा जूम होता है, माइनस पे करते हैं तो कम हो जाता है. सो this is about for you. So okay students, do reading thoroughly again by yourself. Hope you understand it. Allah Hafiz, take care.